bubble bath, clap your hands. Clap, clap, splash around and sing a song. Bath time fun is never wrong. If you love your bubble bath, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you love to pop some bubbles, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you love to pop some bubbles, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. Swish your hands and make a wave. Bath time fun is what we crave. If you love your bubble bath, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. Swish and splash, wiggle and sway. Thank you for this bubbly day. Now you're fresh, you're clean, you shine. See you at the tub next time. Swish and splash, now time to dry. Wave your bubbles all goodbye.
Dance with fruits and veggies too. Healthy foods for me and you. From A to Z, we'll clap along. Sing and move to ABC song. Apple and asparagus. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. A is for aspar, tall and green. Stretch up high, the tallest seen. B, banana and broccoli. B is for broccoli, bumpy and bright. Jump up high with all your might. C, cherry and carrot. C is for cherry, juicy and red. Dance in a circle, spin your head. C is for carrot, crunchy and long. Hop like a bunny to our song. D, date and daikon. D is for date, so chewy and sweet. Clap your hands to the tasty beat. D is for daikon, white and tall. March in place and that's not all. E, elderberry and eggplant. E is for eloquent, purple and bright. Stretch your arms with all your might. F, fig and fennel. F is for fig, soft and small. Jump up high and don't you fall. F is for fennel, feathery too. Wiggle your body, that's what we do. G, grape and green bean. G is for grapes, purple or green. Roll your arms like a dancing machine. G is for green bean, slim and long. Snap your fingers to our song. H, honeydew and horseradish. H is for honeydew, melon delight. Sway your body left and right. H is for horseradish, spicy and hot. Shake your shoulders, dance a lot. T, yin, eam, fear. I is for Indian fig, cactus tree. Step side to side and tap your feet. I is for iceberg, crunchy and round. Spin in a circle on the ground. J, jackfruit and jicama. J is for jackfruit, bumpy and big. Jump up high and dance a jig. J is for calma, crisp and sweet. Stomp your feet to the veggie beat. K, kiwi and kale. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. Roll your arms and give a call. K is for kale, leafy and green. Wave your hands, the veggie queen. L, a lemon and leaky. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Make a funny face with all your might. L is for leek, long and tall. Stretch way up and don't you fall. M, mango and mushroom. M is for mango, golden inside. Twirl around and dance with pride. M is for mushroom, round and short. Bounce in place of veggie sport. N, nectarine and tama, cabbage. N is for nectarine, juicy and sweet. Clap your hands and move your feet. N is for napa, leafy and wide. Sway your body side to side. O, orange and okra. O is for orange, peel with care. Jump and spin up in the air. O is for okra, slim and green. Shake and wiggle, what a scene. I, S for lighter green. P is for pineapple, spiky and tall. Hop in place, then catch the ball. P is for pea, tiny and round. Tiptoe softly on the ground. Q, quince and quinoa. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. Wave your arms high in the air. Q is for quinoa, tiny and bright. Dance in a circle with delight. R, raspberry and reddish. R is for raspberry, sweet and small. Shake your hips and spin with all. R is for radish, crunchy and red. March in place and nod your head. S is for strawberry, juicy and fun. Clap in rhythm one by one. S is for spinach, strong and green. Flex your muscles, you're so keen. T is for bean and tule. Teal and smile, round and red. N is for enter in some mile. Twist your body all the while. T is for tomato, round and red. Pat your tummy, nod your head. U, ugly fruit and UB. U is for ooh, fruit, citrus surprise. Jump up high and touch the skies. U is for ubi, purple delight. Dance and twirl with all your might. V, Valentio, Everman G. V is for lentio, sweet and neat. Tap your toes to the beat. V is for veggies, color so bright. Spin in a circle with pure delight. W, watermelon, watercress. W is for melon, juicy and sweet. Stomp your feet to the beat. W is for watercress, leafy and small. Wave your hands and dance with all. Let's see, let's X is for KU, beam and warm. Slide to your navy twins in the sock. C is for Chris, QTT. Clap beat yours, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Sit so bright, just need to tea. Tanti up you and me. Clamped your hands hot to the hour. Lever, finto, fatal band. Just sing renders, just alive. Kiss, sweet, string, fast, spin, all ray. Light! Come and learn the ABC beat. Animals dancing A to Z. Sing and move along with me. ABC, come dance with me. Wiggle, jump, and count to 3. Learn amazing things as we go. Animals dancing, don't be slow. A, alligator. A is for alligator. Snap, snap, snap. Leave us in rivers, take a nap, nap, nap. Alligators can stay underwater for 2 whole hours. B, bear. B is for bear, big and strong, roaring loudly all day long. Bears can smell food from miles away. C, cat. C is for cat, purr so sweet, soft little paws and dancing feet. Cats sleep about 16 hours a day. D, duck. D is for duck, quack, quack, quack. Waddle forward, then come back. Ducks have waterproof feathers. E, elephant. E is for elephant, so very tall. Swing your trunk and stomp the hall. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. ABC, come dance with me. Wiggle, jump, and count to 3. Learn amazing things as we go. Animals dancing, don't be slow. F, fox. F is for fox, clever and sly. Runs through the forest, quick as a fly. Foxes use over 40 sounds to talk. Giraffe. G is for giraffe, stretch up high. Eat green leaves from trees in the sky. Giraffes have the longest necks of all animals. H, horse. H is for horse, gallop and neigh. Stomp your hooves and run away. Horses can sleep standing up. I, iguana. I is for iguana, scaly and green. Basking in the sun, looking serene. Iguanas can hold their breath for 30 minutes. J, jelly. J is for jellyfish floating by. See-through body, drift and glide. Jellyfish have lived for over 500 million years. K, kangaroo. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. Hop across the land, touch the sky. They can leap 25 feet in one hop. L, lion. L is for lion, king of the prize. Roaring loudly far and wide. A lion's roar can be heard 5 miles away. M, monkey. M is for monkey, swinging trees. Jumping, playing, full of glee. Some monkeys can use tools like humans. Narwhal. N is for narwhal, unicorn of the sea with a long spiral tusk. Amazing to see that tusk is actually a giant tooth. Oh, ow. O is for owl, woo woo at night. Turn your head and see the sight. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. P is for penguin, waddle with glee. Slide on your belly, splash in the sea. Penguins can swim faster than humans. Q, quail. Q is for quail, tiny and quick, running through grass, dark and zip. Quail can lay 12 eggs at once. R, rabbit. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Long ears twitch and never stop. Their teeth never stop growing. S, snake. S is for snake, slither on the ground. Hiss, 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 don't make a sound. Snakes smell with their tongues. T, turtle. T is for turtle, slow and steady. Carry your shell, always ready. Some turtles can live over 100 years. U, unicorn fish. U is for unicorn fish, swimming free. Colorful scales in the deep blue sea. They have a horn-like spike on their heads. Vulture. V is for vulture, soaring high. Cleaning their as they fly. They keep nature clean by eating dead animals. Whale. W is for whale, giant and grand. Sing deep songs across the land. Blue whales are the largest animals on earth. X, for X-ray tetra. X-ray tetra, tiny fish so bright. See-through body, what a sight. You can see their bones through their skin. Yak. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Living in the mountains all year long. Thick hair helps them survive freezing cold. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra, black and white. Gallop in stripes, what a sight. Every zebra's stripes are unique like fingerprints. Now we've danced from A to Z. Learn cool things with you and me. Animals everywhere, big and small. Dance together, one and all.